How to sign in into RBC. In this video, I will show you how can you easily sign in into Royal Bank of Canada application. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, either open the official website of RBC or open its application. Here I will be showing you in its website. So once you open the website of Royal Bank of Canada, you will see the sign in page firstly. Now if you already have an account, enter your details and click on next. But I'm creating a new account here, so I chose the option of enroll in online banking. Then after, scroll below and choose the option of myself or my business according to your desire. Here I will be choosing myself. After that, you need to click on enroll now option. Then after, in the second page, you need to choose the option of yes or no to having a client card or credit card of RBC. If you don't have a card, click on no option and then provide your details. Now this account number and transit number detail are provided by the bank itself. So enter that detail and your first name and last name and then click on continue. And in the third step and final step, you need to verify your identification, and that's all. That is how easily you can sign in into RBC. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.